Le ngqungquthela ebibanjelwe eKempton Park ibihanjelwe kakhulu osomabhizinisi nabatshali mali. Proudly South African ithi injongo yale ngqungquthela ukheha abantu kumabhizinisi anemikhiqizo yakuleli.
The reason why we are here as Proudly South African as a buy local campaign is to find entities that are township based, that make their products locally, that create jobs in the process, and to help their businesses stay operational by opening up access to market opportunities.
Osomabhizinisi bathi banethemba lokuthi emva kwale ngqungquthela bazokwazi ukufinyelela Ezimakethe.
We hope we're going to be exposed out there, that people should know that there is a small business that is Mazen, that is prepared to help the black child and to have more entrepreneurs whereby they can learn and be prepared to make their own businesses.
Kukholakala ukuthi ungabi nalo ulwazi olwanele ngezamabhizinisi ngenye yezingqinamba osomabhizinisi ababhekene nazo. Nokubenza bengakwazi ukufinyelela Ezimakethe baphinde bengakwazi ukuthola uxhaso mali.